Yeah. So hi, I think I am audible to you. So today we are going to start with a topic named linear regression. Okay. So what is linear regression and how it works? We are going to study it in detail, and we will be following or understanding it with the help of an example. So let me start with an example only first. Okay, suppose we are given the data of 10,000 students of a college, and the information with us is regarding the CGPA we have got and the amount for which they have been placed. That is the lakh per annum or the package. Okay, sorry. Suppose a student has got 8 CGPA and he has got for 7 LPA. A student has got 9.5 CGPA and he has got placed for 12 LPA. A student might have got 7 CGPA and he got placed for 4 LPA. Okay. Similarly, this data is given to us for 10,000 students with the placement record. So if we plot a scatter plot of it, so basically a scatter plot is when we plot two numerical columns on x and y plane. Okay, so this is our x and y plane. The x-axis represent the independent variable. So what is independent here is the CGPA. Okay, and what is depending on CGPA is the package. So this is the dependent variable and this is the independent variable. Okay, so we write CGPA here and lakhs per annum here. So if we plot the data of 10,000 students, we will notice a trend that these points look something like this. Okay, we will see a general trend that when the CGPA is increasing, the placement amount is also increasing. Okay, let's see this point. When the CGPA is low, the placement is also less. But when CGPA is high, the amount for which a person is placed is also high. Okay, so we will be seeing this general trend, and if we plot a straight line here, this line is called regression line. We will look into it in detail that how this line is plotted, what it is depending upon, what are the variables, and how do we figure out what is the best line that should represent this data. Okay, so let me ask you, what is the equation of a straight line? I am asking this because we see here this is a straight line and we need to find the equation of this. We will study why we need to find the equation of this, but first, what is the equation of a straight line? So the equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c. What is this y and what is this x? This x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. Okay, so in our case, what is the independent variable? It's the CGPA on which okay, CGPA is independent. A student might have got any CGPA, and based on that CGPA, his package is being decided. Okay, so this income Y or the lag, the package a student has got is depending upon the CGPA he has got. Okay, so I think this part is clear that LPA or the package is the dependent variable and CGPA is the independent variable. So we can rewrite this equation as LPA equals to M. I will explain what is this M and what is the C. CGPA. Let me write this clearly. M into CGPA plus some c. Okay, I hope this part is clear. So we will now discuss what is this m and what is this c. So I can define m as it is a factor by which okay, let me reframe it. So basically m is a factor that when multiplied by CGPA gives the result of lakhs per annum. मैं इसको ढंग से explain नहीं कर पाया, but इसका meaning ये है कि when CGPA is multiplied by that factor, that gives the uh, uh, package the student is getting. Okay, so if this m equals to 1, it says that CGPA of a student into 1, and let's say c equals to 0 for now. This is the package the student is getting. Okay, if this m equals to 2, this and a student has got a CGPA of, let's say, 9 9. Okay, so the package he will get is 2 multiplied by 9, that is 18 LPA. This is just a hypothetical figure. This m can be 1.5, 0.2, any number. Okay, this is the factor term, or the multiple on which the package will depend. Okay, uh, so we know what is x, we know what is y, and we know what is m. And now what is the c term? So I will take a different example to explain c. Let's say we have two columns. Let's say we have two columns. The experience a student has got, and we can say the experience he has got in his graduation years, work experience, and the salary. Not only the experience in graduation year, in general, what is this job experience, and his salary. Okay, and we have this equation y equals to mx plus c pa m into cgpa plus c. Sorry, here we have the independent variable, that is our experience, and here it is salary. Salary is depending upon the experience of a person. Okay, okay, so let me ask you a question, a very simple question. Plus C. Okay, so if I ask you a question, a person is there is a student who got placed in a company. Okay, and he didn't had any job experience. So will he be getting a salary of zero amount, because this experience is zero, and when this zero is multiplied by n, this term becomes zero. So does it make any sense that if he has experience zero, he will get a salary of zero too? No. So this is the point where C comes into the picture. This is the y-intercept, that even if the salary, the experience is zero, there will be some minimum amount which the student will be getting. It might be 3 LPA, or it might be 2 LPA, it could be any number, but there will be a minimum amount which he will be getting. Okay, so this is what is C. It is the y-intercept. It tells if our independent variable is zero, what will be the value of our dependent variable. I hope this part is clear, and now we know what does this equation y equals to mx plus c represents, which is nothing but a straight line. Okay, so but why are we so much focused on this y equals to mx plus c, and what do we want to interpret or know from this? So we will study this now. I will take a short break here.